Hi folks, the third and final tutorial that I'm going to show you is within PowerPoint, creating your kinetic typography within PowerPoint. I've already started to sort of do this frame by frame. I started something and you can see sort of how I started. Kind of shows you each frame. You can create different things. Changes just slightly, or you can keep it all running within one frame. But let's start from the beginning. If I were to stop, let's just start from the very beginning. I chose this one before. Let's go ahead and choose a different one. Choose Atlas this time. And obviously it comes with these little areas in which you can add type. So we can just start by adding more. And you guys can do an alt, click and drag to add more frames that are the similar. You can, I encourage all of you to add additional graphics and change this up a little bit. That's up to you. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to type something like testing out landscape. Okay, and then trying to add in some effects. This will all be your passages that you will be using. I don't want to give away what something cool could look like because obviously I think you all have probably some good ideas going now generating. So now I'm in the shape format, I'm writing in the text. I'm obviously down here. I want to move this to the top. Okay. And then what I can do is jump right over to animations. Okay. I'm now going to select my type. I'm going to add a fly-in. It will show me. Do that. And the duration is 0.5. I might want to up that a little bit more to 1. And that's like on click. So I can play that if I want to see it again. Does it a little bit more slowly. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in something else, probably something a little more dramatic. That's kind of interesting. So if I play from the beginning, there it goes. So this one is after previous. This one starts initially. So let's go start, play. First one comes up, second one comes out. So now, you can do all of this within one frame to the next, and then you can change graphics from frame to frame. And obviously you would not choose a template. If you were to do that, you would rather like place in your images by going to, insert pictures that way. But I hope you all have chosen a nice passage and some graphics, and then within each frame, all you do is you keep adding. Now I can go to home, and if I want to add some new type, I can always do that as well. Go in here. You can go right back up here, and then you can, so this is placed. You can change the text to be something a little more interesting. And then if I go to animation, what is that going to do next? Spin. Bold flash. see, maybe some more. There we go. Keep that. And then we're going to do after previous, and then you can up the time a little bit, and then you can play from start. And it's only going to show you that last one. So you can play all of them. So now I have, obviously mine isn't very interesting, but what you have here is a start of some really great typographic um, movement, and you can add in some effects, you can change the landscape and the color, and then it really will start to feel like things are happening. And I'm looking forward to what you guys have. Now, we are just beginning this stuff, so try not to compare yours exactly with what you're finding online and the suggestions I'm giving you, but I hope to see that we're at least getting a grip for how do we display typography and make it happen, and have fun with it overall. So enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.